Hi, I'm Mark from Betta Blinds, and today I'm introducing our new Easy Spring Pair by Riley's Meter. So with this new spring, one end has a spring-loaded pin, and the other end is where your spring is. You install the blind with the pin in first, drop the pin in, come up the other end, drop your spring in into the brackets. And lastly, put your end caps on. So this is the new spring. Easy to operate, stop at any position. The spring is actually balanced, which means that you can stop it in any position. They need to operate it from the centre of the blind. If you operate it from the sides, you will more than likely track the blind off and you'll end up with fraying. When we send this blind out, we actually tension the blind in our factory, so you don't need to do that. We set the top limit, so it has a top limit, which you can change. Once you get your blind on site and installed, you may need to change the top limit. Simply turning this wheel here, turning it towards you, will drop the limit, as you can see going down. If you want it to go up, it's just twist the other way. The top limit is changed. So when we send the spring out, it actually comes locked. There's a little locking pin, which you'll need a screwdriver, and then drive the locking pin out. Once you take the spring out, the blind is ready to operate. If for any reason that you do need to change the tension on the spring, you can do that on site. We'll send one of these tools out. How do you put the tension on the spring? At the side there's like a little gear mechanism. You put your tension tool on that, you turn down, which will put more tension on the spring. For those longer drops, we do have a pull down stick or pull up stick, which is available to order as well. If there is any need to take your blind out of the brackets, make sure you lock the spring before you do so, otherwise it will uncoil if you do not lock it. The blind is now locked and you can safely take it out of the bracket.